course, is a female driver in a Prius Prime.
Now this guy wants out.
Oh shit! Damn it!
What? Oh.
You just hit someone.
Did he stop there?
Yes. Yeah. Park over there somewhere.
We're gonna take Maggie out.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
So wait, that guy.
Oh yeah, that guy did not. Oh my god, his airbags and everything went off.
And he hit the building too, and that was in the building. Hell, you better watch where you're going.
Should I give him my dash cam footage?
No. So what happened? The guy.
On paper, it looked like she was well on her way to the top. A technically credible founder, recognizable brand partnership, venture backing, and industry recognition. But, according to federal investigators, this
Current loop video is now locked.
Senão a Arica.
People are driving so fast.
No. Wait. Back up. Back up. Back up. They go that way. Just go that way.
I can go that way. That's the only way I can go.
Yeah.
Only.
Dude.
DBWN 969.
that the name of it? I'm pretty sure it is.
What the?
Grateful that I like my instinct to like don't let him know where you've been because I got to the point where I
What the?
very grateful that I like my instinct to like don't let him know where you've been because he literally would have been.
Why do I always get hits?
On my door ringing my bell.
It's better like with just mayonnaise.
You know,
I guess.
it's kind of like a weird sweet rice.
Interesting. Oh my.
Somebody want to call 911?
Tell me to.
Go for it. I'm not moving. I'm not.
Do you want me to call it?
Yes. I'm not moving. I am not going to get hit. I'm not going to hit her. No, I'm not. I'm not helping you. You're going to have to. I don't know this chick. What? I don't want to not answering this. I don't know you. Yeah, go for it.
Right on South Rainbow Boulevard. Use the right lane to turn right on South Rainbow Boulevard. South Rainbow Boulevard.